Honorable Panara
Thank you very much.
Lakshmaya.
As a matter of fact, wishing a good day for all the participants is one of the factors, but wishing the mankind, good days under the present circumstances is most essential. As a matter of fact, in mobilizing voices for global stability under the present alarming situation unfolding between Israel and Iran, this platform is not only welcome but is a necessity. As a matter of fact, as a responsible global citizen and a proud patriot of India, I must approach this crisis with clarity and neutrality. Both Israel and Iran have made decisions that have led to civilian suffering. No strategic goal justifies human loss on either side or anywhere. India has historically maintained strategic ties with Israel and deep ties with Iran. In this escalating conflict, India has called for restraint, dialogue, and protection of civilian lives, a position that more our values of Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, that is, the world is one family, as a matter of fact. We do not take sides in wars. We stand for peace, sovereignty, and humanity. At this forum, I would be honored to deliver a concise four-line peace statement that upholds an immediate ceasefire from both parties, restoration of diplomatic dialogue under United Nations or neutral facilitation, urgent humanitarian aid corridors for the affected population, India's position as a non-aligned nation committed to peace, dignity, and justice. We thank you very much, and this kind of message to go to the nook and corner of the universe and also to every human being, so that the humanity is the basis for our working on this planet.
Thank you very much, Honorable Panala Lakshmaya. We will now proceed